Hello there again, fairbinaryoptions.com. We are talking about divergences with different oscillators, and on the first part we started with the classical relative strength index. It's the most popular oscillator, so why not? And we defined the bullish and bearish divergences with two simple and straightforward examples. The first one was a bullish divergence as it looks here. So this one is a bullish divergence, as we said on the first part. Bullish divergence. Well, if this is a bullish divergence, then let's try to use other oscillator to see if it is confirmed or how it is looking with other oscillator. So we go under the indicators tab, choosing the oscillators, and then the commodity channel index is also extremely popular. Apply it on the screen and we have another oscillator. Now it is a bit different in construction with when it's compared with the relative strength index, but in theory it should show exactly the same thing. Now let's try to look at price here. So this is where price basically is, or where the bullish divergence starting with the RSI, and take a look where the CCI was. The RSI here was in oversold territory with price as well. The CCI here was as well in oversold territory. And then at the end, let's take a look now at the end of the divergence. So this is the end of the divergence. Look at the RSI where it is. Still lower, but not lower than this one. Look at the CCI. The CCI at this very moment of time in here, it is still lower, but on the rising path when compared with the previous one. So even though in the classical interpretation of a divergence, the CCI is not making a high or low, because it is on the rising path, normally it should be as bullish can be. When to trade this kind of divergence with the CCI or the commodity channel index? Well, on the zero level here represents the bullish and bearish, or the transition between from a bullish to a bearish territory, or from a bearish to a bullish territory. So we gotta edit the indicator, and then we go with indicators list. We choose the CCI, and then edit the CCI levels. We add the zero level. We click OK, and now we have the zero level. So normally we should go, after this kind of a divergence, we should go and trade call options by the moment that market breaks the zero level to the upside. If you go and choose other oscillators, it's not really an issue here. There is one problem though. If you go on the oscillators and look at, the marker here or the MACD and so on, all oscillators are showing in principle the same thing: overbought and oversold level. All divergences are in principle exactly the same: bullish or bearish divergences. So when you are looking to trade with bullish or bearish divergences and to trade with oscillators, consider that if you trade with one, then most likely the divergence is going to be shown on other oscillators as well. So from my point of view, the RSI does a really great job as being an excellent oscillator, so there's no need for other one. Thank you very much for being here, and have a great day. Bye bye.